Leetcode Biweekly Context 168, question number 2. Maximize sum of squares of digits. First of all, there is a formula we have to know that a plus b square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which means a plus b square will be always greater than a square plus b square, which means the bigger the digit is, the bigger the square number is. To put it into a simple English, that means we try to put more digit 9 as many as possible. Then second, let's check a few cases. If this number must be fall between 11111 to 99999, which is n to 9n. So if the sum falls between this range, then it is possible for us to find something. Otherwise, it will be impossible. Imagine this case, if the sum is less than 9, then we can just use the sum as the only digit, say 5. Then we can do a 5 with odds, maybe a few 0 or not. Next case is if the sum is greater than 9, then we can check how many 9 we can get with the remainders and falling by zeros. That will be the approach in all cases for this problem. sorry, I made a wrong statement. It doesn't have to be 111. Actually, 1000 is fine. So we get rid of this part.